Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you some seafood in Siem Reap. So this is in night market. You will find this stall, and also you will find similar stall in night market. And this place is near to Siem Reap Street, so you can choose. You can see the price. One stick is 1.25, that is 5,000 real, and so you can choose what you want to eat. I choose different fish and shrimp, and also some vegetable. So they will grill it. Once you choose, you will give to them, they will grill it, and then after that they will bring to your table. So first you need to choose your food that is raw, and after that they will cook it, and then you can eat with beer and other drinks. So the system I found is very good. Also you can watch nightlife from here. Lots of people are eating here and also watching the market and nightlife here. So you can see they will I don't know what is this called, like oil or something. They will brush it and then they will grill it. I find quite this one interesting to watch, so that's why I keep full video. So you can enjoy the video now.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
So now you can see our food is ready. So now they will keep it in on what to say plate, and then give it to your table. So I ordered lots of food and beer, as you can see. So let's eat. So if you want to eat, you can come here also, and also don't forget to like my video and share it if you can, and also subscribe to my channel to watch more video like this, or you can also check other video in my channel. I have also some traveling guide and activity to do, and also more video are coming. So now I am going to my table. So you can choose your table here. This is near the river, so you can choose your table near to the river. So here you can see the food. They give us one box of tissue, and we order some drink, as you can see in this picture. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.